Well, alright, here we go again. I've got it actually, my plate mounted now. I'm still using carpet tape. And I'm going to try my coat out. One hole's good. I'm running about half speed on this acrylic, and that's 15 inches per minute, and I'm doing 2 cuts. I think I could probably do it in 1 cut, but figured it wouldn't hurt just to try it out. And here's where it all went wrong last time. Alright. It's looking good. Doesn't look like it's melting it too much. That's good. I'm gonna have to get my hands on some more of these small bits. Vacuum cleaner. Alright, final cut. As you can see, it's tracked along there pretty good. This whole base is like 4 inches by 5 inches. Basically a round base that is just big enough to fit 2 servo motors and some wheels. After this, I'm going to have to try cutting wheels, I guess. I think I didn't probably need to use as much carpet tape as I did to hold that thing down. There we go. Success. There's my little base. Awesome.